There is actually nothing that anybody can be going through in life that Jesus Christ could be ignorant about. All things that were made by him. And all things that were made for him. He did not need to be informed about anything. Everything that has ever been came to be at his instance. Do you think he has capacity to handle any challenge? Everything that could make anything to be alive emanates from him. The world is looking for something very sophisticated. The world would like to speak about something that looks very, 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 very complicated. In fact, they will use wonderful language. They will try to paint it and make it sound somehow. But the truth is that in all of those, there is nothing there. They all wither out. But the one that has grace is in the world, but the world knew him not. Grace is here. The unfortunate thing is that the world does not know him. They don't receive it. What can give you the kind of supernatural strength that is beyond your human ability is available in Christ Jesus. But the world system says, no, let's do something else.